Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI. Now, I always knew that there was a lot of really cute baby stuff out there, but this just takes the prize. This is a cute little snapback hat from the brand Knuckleheads. It's in the size extra small and it fits my 3-month-old perfectly. These are amazing quality. They're very well made. I love how it's breathable in the back so your baby's head is not going to get too hot, and it's also adjustable so they can wear it for a long time. They also have so many beautiful designs to choose from. They're all so adorable for infants and toddlers. Here is my son in a extra small snapback hat. It fits him perfectly and it doesn't bother his ears at all. You can see he doesn't even try to take it off and he's as happy as can be, not to mention as cute as he can be. This one is also a size extra small and this one is a size small, so you can see that it's a little bit bigger. These are great for a little photo shoot, for sun protection, or if you just want your little one to be stylish. So if you're shopping for your little one, you're gonna wanna put one of these in your cart. These little hats are just so adorable. They're great quality and your baby is gonna look so cute in them. And that's my point of view.